It's because them establish certain principle and I try embrace certain level of civility. Them can't go on like them want openly be sparing our you know with the civility. Them have to make it look like, well, for the most of it, yeah, for the most part of it, more Latin, more than Africa. And Africans on the ground were far more wealthy. We are supply the West. Yeah, yet the West can treat the for them black people, offer them more resource and things like that and benefits than what Africa can offer to fit people. It's a disgrace. It's a crying, shameful disgrace, unacceptable disgrace. You can talk till you're blue. There is so many levels where this thing is not acceptable, Rasta. Whereby you have to just burn a dirty boy and condemn some dirty people when I'm in a class. We accept that. We accept Africa and a ball, so them want to go back as it is. We want to go back, go.